Did you know that dolphins are extremely intelligent and their brain development is similar to that of humans? They have their own language, recognize themselves in a mirror, and show empathy. They even mourn their dead. Dolphins are fascinating animals and universally loved by pretty much everyone. They are cute, playful, and always draw a crowd when they decide to surface. Dolphins are spectacular animals full of magic and mystery. And those facts about dolphins we just went over hardly scratch the surface. Beneath the depths of the deep blue sea, these fun and friendly creatures will flip and splash their way into your heart. Read on to learn more about everyone's favorite seafaring friend. Dolphins are mammals found all over the world. Most of them live in shallow areas in warm and tropical oceans, but 5 species of dolphins actually live in rivers. River or freshwater, dolphins predominantly live in South American and Asian rivers. The most common dolphin, the bottlenose, is usually what people think of when they think of dolphins. If you've seen Flipper or a dolphin tail, you're familiar with the bottlenose. You can even take dolphin tours in areas where they congregate. They are often found in areas with beautiful clear water and shells. Here are some additional fun facts about dolphins. 1. Dolphins are carnivores. Dolphins eat a wide variety of foods, including fish, squid, octopus, crustaceans, cephalopods, and other marine life. Smaller dolphins usually stick to a diet of fish and other small prey. Larger dolphins, such as the killer whale, bet you didn't know that a killer whale is actually a dolphin, eat larger things like sea lions, seabirds, sharks, and penguins. To capture their food, dolphins often work together to surround and circle their prey in order to keep it from escaping. They keep circling until they have the prey forced into a small and dense ball. Once it's trapped, the dolphins take turns swimming through the circle to pick off the fish who can't escape. Some other dolphins will work to force their prey into a corner or into a shallow riverbank or shallow water along the coastline. This makes it difficult for their prey to escape. Dolphins do have teeth, but most of them don't use them to chew their food and swallow it whole, head first, so the scales on the food do not disturb their throat. They use their teeth to defend themselves and to grip objects. They actually have 2 stomachs, one for food storage and one for digestion. 2. Dolphins only sleep with half of their brain. Dolphins and whales sleep in an unusual way, called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep. It basically means that they sleep with only half of their brain. When a dolphin goes to sleep, it shuts down one hemisphere of its brain and closes the opposite eye. This allows the dolphin to monitor what's going on around them and to regulate breathing. While they are sleeping, some dolphins are motionless at the surface of the water. Other times, they might swim slowly. Over a 24-hour period, each side of a dolphin's brain gets about 4 hours of sleep. Dolphins evolved into this sleeping style for a few reasons. They need half of their brain to control their breathing and also to watch out for danger while they rest. If they aren't aware of their surroundings, they could be prey for bigger ocean predators. Sleeping with half of their brain also allows certain physiological processes, like muscle movement, to continue. These processes help warm-blooded mammals, like dolphins, maintain the body heat they need to survive in the ocean. 3. Dolphins live a long time. The life expectancy of dolphins vary, but the common bottlenose dolphin can live a whopping 20 to 50 years. To determine a dolphin's age, veterinarians can count the rings inside each tooth. Each growth ring indicates 1 year of life. Things that impact how long a dolphin lives include their habitat, diet, health status, species, geography, and their level of endangerment. Dolphins in captivity generally have a shorter lifespan. Even though they are protected and well cared for, they still live a shorter time in captivity. Things like their diet, lack of a strong social structure, and a closed environment contribute to this shorter lifespan. The most critical time for mortality is during the first 2 years of a dolphin's life. This is when they are most susceptible to disease, predators, and adverse climate conditions. 4. Some whales are actually dolphins. Orcas, which are very recognizable because of their black and white coloring, aren't actually whales. In fact, they are part of the dolphin family. sometimes called killer whales. They are the biggest members of the dolphin family and found in every ocean in the world. Like dolphins, they are very intelligent and able to communicate. They coordinate with other whales in their pod to hunt their prey. If killer whales are actually dolphins, why do we call them that? The name killer whale came from ancient sailors who observed orcas hunting and preying on other whale species. They called them Assassina ballenas, which translates to whale killer. Eventually, the names were flip-flopped, and the term killer whale was born. 5. A dolphin can swim more than 20 miles per hour. They didn't call Flipper faster than lightning for nothing. Dolphins have been clocked at speed up to 25 miles per hour when they're in a hurry or trying to get away from something. Their normal swim speed is about 7-8 miles per hour though. To swim this quickly, dolphins use their tail, or fluke, to produce thrust to push them through the water. The flukes act as wings to generate a lift force that pushes them forward. The flukes are flexible and dolphins can control that flexibility. As they swim faster, the fluke might become stiffer. Researchers are still trying to pinpoint how exactly they control the flexibility of their flukes. 6. Dolphins do not have hair. Dolphins have a few sparse hair follicles, but any hairs that are present fall out before or quickly after birth. They don't have any sweat glands either.